Hello everyone, my name is Deepak. I am from Webrefiner. So in this video I'll be showing the students how to take the examinations on Webrefiner. So you can see on my screen there is this login portal. So this login portal is similar with the faculty members too. So let's just log in with the student's ID. I'll be quickly showing you how to log in and how to take the examinations. So let's just log in. This is a fictitious ID that I have created. You can type your ID here and password here, and you can just log in. So when you log in, the particular student will get his name here, his login ID with phone number, and the classes and sections. So in this ID, the student's name is Geeta. So Geeta is running 2 tests currently. Her 2 tests is ongoing. So as you can see, the both tests are maths. One is test 1 and one is for half yearly. So now you can see there is John and the WhatsApp number. So John is an invigilator for this paper, and this is John's WhatsApp number. We have basically given this WhatsApp number so that the student, whenever they might find any issues, so they can contact the required person, the required teacher here directly. So you can select to the WhatsApp, and so you can directly chat with the required teacher of this subject. Now so you can also see the date of the examination, the time of the examination, the full marks and the pass marks, and the negative percent if it's given. So in this case there is no negative marks. So now let's just quickly start the examination. To start the examination, let's just click on to start exam. Okay, so this is the exam question page. So as you can see, the question is very Taj Mahal. The student can now select any option from this 4. Let's just say that Geeta selected Delhi. So as you can see, this option is turned green and the answer is being submitted. So when this option is turned green, that means your answer has been saved in the database. Let me just elaborate to you. Let me just reset it. When the option is black, that means none of the answer is saved. I mean, you have not saved anything, you have not attempted anything. The total attempted question is 0. Not attempted 2. That means you have attempted none. Now when you attempt a question, let's say Agra, this option will turn green. That means you have attempted. This answer of yours is automatically saved in the database. Now when this option is turned green, you might face some issues like lack of connectivity or lack of power. So just keep it in mind that when this option is turned green, your answer is completely safe. It's been saved in the database and it won't be erased. So you can log in after 5 minutes and you will be on this option is already will be turned green. It won't be erased. So let's move on to the next question. This number 2. You can go to the next question by clicking on the next button here, or you can directly click on the next question, that is number 2 question here. So let's just assume that this is a question paper uploaded by a teacher. It's a picture, but let's just assume it's a question paper. So the student can write their answer here. This is my answer. For example, the student, if this is a maths or science paper, the student can create and upload a table. They can add and delete rows and columns. They can bold, italic or underline any texts like as in Word. And also, for example, let's just say the student have to write a square plus b square. So a superscript square, again superscript, plus b superscript square. So this is how you write. There is an option for superscript and there is an option for subscript. The subscript option is, so basically you have everything required, everything you want is all in here. This is symbols. In here you can search for any currency or any quotations, any mathematical symbols you want, you will get it. And if you don't get it, you can just search it for it. For example, dollar, you will get it here. Just search it for root, it's also available here. So basically you'll get every symbols that are required in a mathematical in science day-to-day uses. So now after this you can save your answer, or also you can upload an image. That means if you are currently using a mobile phone, if you are giving this examination on a mobile phone, that will be more suitable for you as being a student, because you can just when you add the photo, when you click on this add photo option, your camera will pop up and you can snap a photo immediately and can upload it. But if you are in a laptop or desktop, what you can do is you have to save a photo like this. You have to locate the photo you have saved, and then you have to redirect it to the image that is saved, and then you have to upload it. Let me just say this image. Okay, so this is the answer script. So you can upload it like this and you can save it. The student can also upload multiple images. The student might have 2 or 3 answer scripts, so they can select multiple images. Like this, say class. So let's just say this is the class. Let's just say this is another answer script of a student. Now basically there are 2 options given to erase the image. This clear option will clear the image that you have recently uploaded. This image, if you clear it, you will clear the recently uploaded image, and if you select clear all, you will erase every images that you have uploaded. See, that's it. So let's just save the answer and done. When this option is turned green, that means your answer has been saved in the database. Now let me remind you that the objective questions, you just have to select and your answer will turn green. Let me show you again. You just have to select and your option will turn green. But for the descriptive portion, you have to write your answer and then you have to save your answer, then it will turn green. Let me just show you again. No answer has been written, so you write the answer, you save the answer, then it's turned green. That means for descriptive portion you have to save your answer. If you did not save your answer, that means it's not been saved. So you just have to be look into this. So after all the questions are being done, the students can recheck the answer by going to the questions, or if everything is over, you can just log out the page, or you can just go to the home page. But before going to the home page, let me just show you one more feature. You might have noticed a small camera option here. So let me introduce you with this camera feature. This camera is basically live monitoring feedback. That means the teacher or the principal is monitoring you while you are giving your examination. The teachers can see you. A small allow option will pop up when you first appear in this page. That means you have given the access. You will have to give the access to the teachers to see you, to view you while you give your examinations. So the teacher can view you. The teachers as well as the principals, they can see you while you give your examinations. So be prepared and be cautious, of course, as they can see you. So this is it. This is how you give your examinations. Thank you for the session.